All right, for those of you who are interested in our trial software and want to practice and want to join us, when you send us a WhatsApp message on our number, we're going to ask you to fill out a small form so we can get some information and get back to you as soon as possible. But however, there are certain steps you need to do in order to sign up for our superareas.com. Step number one is you have to have a Windows desktop or laptop. You have to have at least 16 gigabytes of RAM because the software is pretty powerful. You have to have one basic mouse. Monitor is optional. iCore 5 is okay, iCore 7 is okay, but iCore 7 is preferred. When you have that, you have to sign up on two websites. First, because our platform works on NinjaTrader, and number two, superareas.com. On how you do that, I'm going to explain you step by step, old style. So what I want you to do, once you have gathered your hardware, I want you to go to ninjatrader.com. So that is the website. Go there. It should look like this right now as of August 23rd, 2023. Once you get there, you're going to see it right here, open account and login. So simply click on open account. Once you're done, you're going to get this screen. It says sign up. So put in your email address to sign up. Next step is, see, I'm typing in my email address right here. So you have to enter your email address and hit submit. The next screen is going to say that you are going to get a confirmation email from NinjaTrader. So the screen looks like this. Once you're done there, go and check your inbox. For example, I'm using Gmail. I've entered my Gmail email address. So you're going to get an email from ninjatrader.com and it says confirm your email. So we're going to make it super easy for everybody. There you go. So I've opened that email and just click here, confirm. You see the icon here? Confirm that. A new window is going to open up. Next step is, there you go. It's going to ask you to create a username and a password. So it's going to greet you with three boxes right here and an agreement to check. Next step. So for example, here I'm typing in my name, my last name, my phone number, and I've checked the box that I agree to their terms and condition. Next step, once you log in, guys, this is a very critical step. Because if you're in Canada, you can only use NinjaTrader as a platform. You cannot open a live account with NinjaTrader. You have to use a different broker. You can, however, use NinjaTrader as a platform to trade. I'll get into those details later. So for the demo purposes, I want you to hit at the bottom, right here, at this link. Start with the simulation. Don't click open account. That doesn't apply to you. You're just testing our software. So click here. Start with the simulation. All right, so you click here. It's going to greet you with another small little form. Put in your first name, last name, country. Now, where's US? A lot of people say, I can't find Canada. Canada is right underneath the US. Second option in the drop down. So right here, I'm putting in, you cannot use any special characters. You can't have anything in it. Just first name, last name, your phone number, and that is it. So here, once you're done this, I think I skipped a step right here. No. So it's going to create a simulation account, right? It's going to look like this. This is your dashboard, right? Right here it says download. So click on download. Once you're done that, right here, it's going to tell you a few different versions. I want you to download 8.1. So be very careful. Don't download 8. Don't download 7. 8.1. I hope everybody's coming along. You guys can rewind the video if you guys missed a step. Now we're gonna say, look, it's in your Chrome. I'm using Chrome right now. It's starting to download. See, download has completed. Good. Next step, you're gonna run that downloaded file. So if you have downloaded in your documents, downloads, anywhere, it's right here. So double click that executable file. So executable is gonna start this setup wizard. So just follow this. So click OK or next right here. Once you're done that, agree to their terms and condition. I'm sure most of you have installed the program in your computer one time or another. Again, next is I agree. Just select that. Next is right here. You're gonna select next here. Next. One more time, next. Finish. Click finish. It's gonna start installing the program on your computer. That is it. It's gonna say, do you trust this program? Hit yes. It's a pretty big company in the world, so you don't have to worry about any viruses or anything as long as you're downloading from ninjatrader.com. Next, it's done. It's done, finished. Click finish. Now it's going to create an icon on your desktop with a little logo called N. So double click that. Now it's going to ask you, type in your username and password, email or password that you created. I'm going to go like this. So just type in your username and password that you just created. You should be greeted with the following screen. Do you want to do live trading? Do you want to do simulation? So make sure you hit simulation. If you don't get this window in your trial, it means you've skipped one step. In the back, there was a screen where you were supposed to create a live or demo account. So if you didn't click demo, you won't get this screen. So that is important. Next. Once Ninja is open, you're gonna see this. This is called the control center. This is their default setup. You see help up here, right here. So click on help. Right here, go down to about. So help and about. Next screen is, there's something written called machine ID. So this is important. For superareas.com demo, you're gonna need a machine ID, all right? So this explains you how to install NinjaTrader 8.1 on your desktop as a demo account. Next video I'm gonna do right now is how to activate and get a demo on superareas.com. So you can log in. So we're gonna need this machine ID for part 2. Thank you.